Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on OKX. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX application on your smartphone and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After you have logged into your account, you will be taken into this homepage where you will first end up within the exchange screen. Now from this page, tap on Wallet at the right side and now you will be taken into the wallet platform. If you have not signed up or signed in to your wallet already, you will be asked to sign in first. So go ahead and sign in to your wallet and now you will be taken into your wallet. After you have logged into your wallet, you will be able to see your wallet name at the top section above your currency. Now from this page, you will find a copy icon at the right side, so go ahead and tap on it. And now you will find your wallet address for various different currencies. You can simply tap on the copy icon at the right side for the particular wallet address that you want to share, and you can share this with anyone. You can come back to this page and look towards the various address that you have for several different kinds of cryptocurrencies. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your wallet addresses on OKX. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.